What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise. First off, I want to say happy CURLSMAS and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm bringing you guys something new. As you guys see, I'm in my bonnet. This is my first time coming on here in my bonnet. And I'm doing my first skincare video.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
As you can tell from the title, I'm doing a DIY French green clay and apple cider vinegar mask. And I'm using the Bragg organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. You can find this at Whole Foods, and you can also find this at regular grocery stores too. And my French green clay is from Mountain Rose Herbs. I want to try a French green clay mask on my hair as well. I've only used this on my face so far though. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some of this clay into my plastic bowl. So I put about this much into the bowl. That's probably too much, but I like it when it's a little thick. And I like mixing with a knife instead of a spoon because then it gets stuck in the spoon and you can't really get it out without another utensil. And if you use a knife, you don't have that problem. Now I'm going to pour some of the apple cider vinegar into this bowl and then I'm going to mix it up. I'm really just going to eyeball the amount of apple cider vinegar I'm adding. I really want it to be a certain thickness, so I'm just going to add the ACV until it's there.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's fizzing as I add the two together. Okay, these two do not smell good together. I just want to say that.
No!
But this is what my mixture is looking like, and it's got a nice texture. It looks very smooth and creamy. This is my first time mixing the French green clay with apple cider vinegar. I usually mix it with distilled water and a little bit of honey, but I wanted to try this for this video. I want to see if I'm going to change up the way that I use this mask, because if I like this better, this is what I'll start doing. Alright, now I'm going to apply this mask to my face. I'm going to leave it on for about a minute and then I'm going to rinse it off, wash my face, and come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this mask. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more skincare videos, and also let me know which masks are your favorite ones to use. Sorry for any faces that I'm making right now. I really cannot see.
I can see, barely.
Alright, this is starting to tighten up. It's been on for about 30 seconds. I'm going to leave it on for about 30 more seconds and I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, this is how my face is looking after I've washed it. I like the mask a lot. I'm not sure if I like it more than my normal way that I use the green clay, but I did like it and I will be doing it again. And I really need to do it multiple times to see the effect that it has on my face. So I will be updating you guys on how I feel about this mask in the upcoming weeks, but so far I really did like it. The only con would be the smell, but you already know what you're going to get with the apple cider vinegar. It just does not smell good. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. This is my first time mixing the French green. This is my first time mixing the French green. This is my first time mixing the French. This is my first time mixing the French. I cannot say that.